In pharmaceutical manufacturing, quality doesn't start at the final product. It begins with your raw materials. At GBA Group Pharma, we deliver testing solutions designed to meet the highest global standards, including EU GMP and US FDA expectations. From identity to impurity profiling, our integrated approach ensures your materials are safe, compliant, and production-ready. Our capabilities include API and Excipient Analysis, along with detailed impurity profiling and nitrosamine testing. We also provide elemental impurities analysis and comprehensive microbiological testing, including endotoxin detection. From physicochemical characterization to extractables and leachables testing, we cover every analytical need. Our team also specializes in method development and validation to ensure your processes are robust and reliable. With GBA Pharma, you gain a trusted partner supporting your product from raw material qualification to final release. Contact us today.